Have you ever wondered what happens to male chicks in the egg industry? They don't lay eggs. They don't grow fast enough to become meat. So where do the millions of males born every single day end up? The answer lies inside this factory. And it operates 24 hours a day. Refrigerated trucks transport up to 20,000 eggs per trip. Each plastic tray holds 30 units, maintained at 64 degrees Fahrenheit throughout transit. Digital scales record the precise weight of each tray before incubation. Quality control verifies that eggs meet the standard weight of 4 pounds per tray. Automated conveyor belts transport up to 50,000 eggs per hour. The system maintains controlled temperature and humidity throughout the entire journey to the incubators. Incubation chambers maintain 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 60% humidity. The process lasts 21 days until hatching. Candling identifies viable embryos through intense light. Technicians examine each egg individually to detect proper fetal development. Operators manually inspect eggs after candling. Each worker processes approximately 2,000 eggs per 8-hour shift. Approved eggs return to the incubators through automated systems. Mechanical conveyor belts ensure smooth and precise movement throughout transport. Industrial carts transport up to 500 stacked trays. Operators organize eggs in towers reaching 6.5 feet tall to optimize space.
Looks like we've reached optimal temperature. Systems check complete.
All right, let's start bringing in the carts.
Industrial incubators store up to 100,000 eggs simultaneously. Technicians monitor temperature and humidity through digital panels every 2 hours. Operators move carts between climate-controlled chambers. Each transfer takes approximately 15 minutes and maintains constant egg rotation. Spiral electric heating elements provide constant heat to the eggs. The system maintains 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit through digitally controlled thermostat heating. Spray nozzles release micronized water to maintain optimal humidity. The system injects vapor every 15 minutes, ensuring 60% relative humidity. Candling reveals the developing embryo after 15 days of incubation. Blood vessels form a complex network that nourishes the growing fetus. Laser sensors automatically verify each egg. The system analyzes 5,000 eggs per hour, detecting non-viable embryos through green light technology. The chick breaks through the shell after 21 days of incubation. The hatching process takes between 12 and 24 hours until complete emergence. Conveyor belts transport newly hatched chicks to the sorting area. Room temperature is maintained at 77 degrees Fahrenheit for thermal comfort. Specialized operators perform manual chick sexing. Each technician separates approximately 1,200 birds per hour, identifying males from females. Chicks are separated from shells by vibrating conveyor belts. The system processes up to 15,000 birds per hour, removing waste automatically. The industrial grinder processes male chicks at a rate of 300 per minute. Rotating blades operate at 1,500 revolutions per minute. The ground material is transported for drying and processing. Conveyor belts move 4,400 pounds of biomass per hour to animal feed mixers. Automated systems vaccinate each chick. The equipment injects 0.007 fluid ounces of immunization at a rate of 3,000 birds per hour. Sprayers release disinfectant solution over the female chicks. The system applies 5.3 gallons of sanitizing product per batch of 5,000 birds.
A fine mist of vaccine solution rains down on female broiler chicks passing beneath spray nozzles, delivering respiratory...
Female chicks are packed in ventilated cardboard boxes. Each box holds 100 birds and includes a label with batch number, hatch date, and destination. Refrigerated trucks transport female chicks to laying farms. Each vehicle carries up to 10,000 birds, maintained at 68 degrees Fahrenheit during transport.
Keep coming straight back. Watch the edge.
Dolly set, let's get these birds inside.
Ready for the doors.
Female chicks are released into rearing houses with wood shaving bedding. Infrared lamps maintain 89.6 degrees Fahrenheit during the first 7 days of life.
Perfect.
Automatic feeders and waterers distribute feed and water. Each chick consumes 0.7 ounces of feed and 1.7 fluid ounces of water daily in the first days. Operators perform daily cleaning of the houses with squeegees and brooms. Maintenance removes waste and renews wood shaving bedding every 3 days.
Broiler chicks at 2 weeks of age have more than doubled their hatch weight, their bodies noticeably larger, and their down beginning to transition to juvenile feathers. Broiler chicks at 2 weeks of age have more than doubled their hatch weight, their bodies noticeably larger, and their down beginning to transition to juvenile feathers. Wing feathers have emerged, and the birds' appetites have increased dramatically to fuel their rapid growth. Feed and water consumption rises daily. Broiler chicks at 2 weeks of age have more than doubled their hatch weight, their bodies noticeably larger, and their down beginning to transition to juvenile feathers.
Workers install metal dividers to organize the house space. Each section accommodates 500 birds, with a maximum density of 1 bird per square foot. Females reach sexual maturity at 18 weeks of age. The climate-controlled house accommodates 20,000 birds with LED lighting programmed for 16 hours daily. Laying hens consume 4.2 ounces of feed daily. Each bird produces approximately 300 eggs per year with an average weight of 2.1 ounces.
Uniformity looks good across the board.
Agreed, they are ready for the morning harvest.
Operators manually capture the birds and place them in plastic crates. Each crate holds 10 hens and is stacked on trucks for transport to the slaughterhouse.